Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, German for Beginners. Today, I will be sharing with you a few more examples of the nouns with the respective article der, die oder das. So, let's begin. The definite article in Deutsch are der, die und das. They help us recognize if the gender of the noun is masculine, feminine, or neutral, if the number is singular or plural, and if the noun is in nominative, dative, accusative, or genitive case. Here are a few examples that are just so easy to remember. So for the masculine, we have der Monat. And as you can see, the following examples under masculine are the months of the year. So the months of the year are all masculine. Der Januar, der Februar, der März, der April, der Mai, der Juni, der Juli, der August, der September, der Oktober, der November, der Dezember. The days of the week are also masculine. Der Montag, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag, der Samstag und der Sonntag. And the seasons of the year are also masculine. Der Winter, der Frühling, der Sommer, der Herbst. And most of the weather conditions are also in masculine. For example, der Regen, der Nebel, der Sturm, der Wind, der Hagel, der Donner, der Schnee. And the examples under die with the gender feminine: die Woche, die Uhrzeit, die Jahreszeit. And for neutral, we have das Jahr und das Wetter. So at this point, you can already tell the gender of these nouns through the particular article that they have. Here's another set of examples that would help us recognize if the number of the noun is singular or plural. And the plural form has the article die. The first, second, and third column are all in their singular form, and the last column is the plural form. So for der, we have der Körper, der Zahn, der Mund, der Rücken, der Fuß, der Bauch. For the die Hand, die Nase, die Augenbraue, die Stirn, die Wange, die Schulter. And for the das, we have das Gesicht, das Auge, das Bein, das Haar, das Knie, das Ohr. And for the plural, we have die Augen, die Zähne, die Beine, die Haare, die Füße, die Schultern. And another set of examples are parts or rooms inside the house. Der Balkon, der Garten, der Keller, die Küche, die Toilette, das Haus, das Zimmer, das Wohnzimmer, das Schlafzimmer, das Badezimmer. And for the plural, die Häuser, die Zimmer. So as you can see, based on the examples, if the noun is in plural, the spelling changes from singular to plural. Sometimes something has been added in the end, sometimes a letter has been changed, and others actually stay the same. Nothing added, nothing changed at all. So the article will help tell you if the noun is in singular or it's in plural. For example, Zimmer, singular, das Zimmer, and plural, die Zimmer. There are also nouns that are made out of two words. So here's some Beispiel. We have Wohnzimmer, Schlafzimmer, Badezimmer. So we combined a verb and the noun. So for these kind of words, we always have to take the article from the second word. Wohnen plus das Zimmer equals das Wohnzimmer. Schlafen plus das Zimmer, das Schlafzimmer. Baden plus das Zimmer, das Badezimmer. And that's, I guess, what you always have to remember, because sometimes you get confused on which article to use. So if you see some words that are made out of two words, then make sure to use the article from the last word. There are also cases wherein by just looking at the ending of the word, we can already tell which article is being used by the noun, and from there it would be easier for us to convert the singular form to plural form. So for example, the ending ing. If the noun ends with ing, it normally uses the article der. Zum Beispiel, singular, der Ohrring, the earring. And for plural, we take article die and then we add e at the end. Die Ohrringe, or the earrings. Another example is der Liebling, favorite. Die Lieblinge, favorites. So if the word is ending with heit, kite, Schaft, Tate, Zion, they use article die. So for the singular, zum Beispiel, die Sendung, the program. Die Wahrheit, the truth. Die Möglichkeit, the possibility. Die Meisterschaft, the championship. Die Universität, the university. Die Simulation, the simulation. And then the plural form, we have to use the same article, die, and then we just have to add en at the end. So plural form, die Sendungen, die Wahrheiten, die Möglichkeiten, die Meisterschaften, die Universitäten, die Simulationen. We also have words with ending tion und Zeug. So words ending with this use the article das. Zum Beispiel, singular, das Stadion, das Werkzeug. And for plural, again we use the article die. The words ending tion, we will have to change io to ie. So that would make it from das Stadion to die Stadion. And then for the words ending with Zeug, zum Beispiel Werkzeug, Flugzeug, Spielzeug. So we only have to add e at the end. So Werkzeuge. And plural, die Werkzeuge. And so that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!